Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1969 Chevy Camaro. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Now the purpose of these videos is for the potential buyers to get a little more of an insight of how does it run, what does it sound like, what's it look like on the inside from my point of view. If you want any of the additional information about when it's restored, all the specs from under the hood, the trunk, underneath, everything, go on over to volocars.com. Read the whole write-up we have there, and it says the pricing and everything. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. This is absolutely beautiful. Love the paint job. Door pops open nicely. The interior looks great. Door shuts like a breeze. Oh, have my towel in there. All right, go ahead and buckle up. As you see, it has an updated touchscreen Pioneer stereo. Has all your gauges on top here. It is a 6-speed and it has AC. So this thing is nice, really clean inside. And I'm in the shop here, so this is the first time myself or anyone from inside there get a chance to take this out on the road. So we're going to start out taking it slow, then later on in the video I'll get on a little bit and we get to see. It's blowing pretty cold. You can see if there's any kinks that we need to work out. It also has the power windows. Works just great. This car was updated nicely. So let's take it for a ride. All the gauges seem to be working. This looks really, really sharp. Shifts smooth. Clutch feels really great. Pushes back just enough. It's not slamming your leg back. Drive straight as an arrow. No play in the steering wheel. Take down this bumpy road, see what she sounds like. Very little rattles, if any. Not a little bit, but with all the classic cars, you're gonna have a little bit of that rattle, as long as it's not the hard clanks, bangs, and everything. Usually nothing to worry about. Ooh, getting used to it. Feels like you can shift and drive this thing with just 2 fingers. Open up a little bit here, get comfortable, then open a little bit more on the second pass. Oh wow. Only in 4th gear, and there's still 2 more to go if you wanted to. This thing hauls. My goodness. show and go. Still has all that pickup going in 4th gear. Oh. Steering's tight too. Even has a little bit extra resistance before you get into reverse, so you're not going to accidentally throw it, completely ruin the car. See what it's like when I'm stopping first. Oh, goodness. Just into 5th and 6th. Oh my, wow. This is some car. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com, see all the other pictures and details. Wow. As always, I appreciate you.